To help bring all of this together, we'd like to share with you what we call and what is our definition of career fit. It's actually included in your workbook and as one of the worksheets. But what I wanted to do is take the time to actually highlight some of the different sections and why we included it when we created our own definition. Now, the first part is starting to talk about the perfect game. It's about being part of the perfect game and having the perfect role within that game. And for us, finding career fit, that's what it feels like. It feels like you're in the right sport, the right arts, the right job, the right industry, and you're doing exactly what you should be doing. And everything seems to be coming together. So that's the first part. The second part is you actually love each and every moment that you're living. Maybe high, low, maybe something you like or dislike, it doesn't make a difference. It's something that, because it's part of the career, that is perfect for you. That's what career fit is all about. You're okay going to do it, and you know that it's part of what you need to do to get there. Now, the other part for us that comes out when you look at our definition is really starting to look at meaning and that it feels right. So connects with what is meaningful and purposeful for you in terms of either the job or the greater mission, the client, the impact, no matter what, how that comes about for you. What it is starting to understand that there's actually, you connect with that meaning and it has meaning for you and it's right. It's not just something that people have told you should care about. It's not just about something that you should be doing. It's really about something that feels and fits and that is right for you. Now, all of that has a really big impact. But now we also want you to be satisfied and engaged. What do we mean by satisfied? That means each and every day you finished energized. The end of your day, you're not drained from doing your job. You're actually finishing the day with more energy because you had the opportunity to do your job. You're the person who looks forward to going in and having meetings and doing planning sessions and wrapping projects up because it's stuff that you love to do. You're part of something greater. And when we start finding that, we start humming, we start buzzing. That's what really we want, what you guys, we want that for you. That's why we're talking about it. It's not idealistic, by the way. This is what everybody should be living. What's happened is that in society, we've just decided that it's okay to be okay. Oh yeah, I'm getting through. I got a good job. Oh yeah, I have an okay manager. And you ask them over there, they prefer Fridays over Mondays because Fridays starts the weekends, Monday starts the week. We don't want you to have anxiety on Sundays or sleepless nights. What we want you to do is go, it's finally over. The weekend's over. How do I start my week? Because by the way, you spend more time at work than you do at home. And so how do you celebrate and enjoy the start of that week? That is what we have found are the elements of career fit. These are all the components and the elements that when we talked about and tried to build our own definition of career fit, this is what it was part of. This is what we wish on you. This is what we created this program and this workshop for you to be able to achieve. Now, I want you to take the time and to think about, what does career fit mean for you? Now that you know our own definition, what's yours? So hit pause, take the time to look at ours, take the time to think about what's important to you, and write it down. Make sure that you're starting to be mindful of that and that you know what you're working towards. So hit pause, and we'll see you after.